Hey, let me show you how you can input the memory card into your Realme 12 5G. So all you have to do is just to grab this SIM tool. It's actually in your box, and you have to locate this SIM slot, input this tool right here, and now you have to press on it. There we go. Now we have to remove the SIM tool. Hold your phone steady. Grab, for example, with your 2 fingernails and try to pull it towards you. There we go. And right here you can find place for the memory card. It's actually right here. So you have to put it like this, in this exact position. There we go. That's how it looks. And now we have to put this inside. Try to hold your card with your finger like this. When you put it into device, press with your finger, and now it is inside. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.